In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and let me show you how to activate automatic system updates on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the settings, then find and select additional settings and go to developer options. If you cannot find developer options here, it means that you haven't unlocked them. To do it, just watch our tutorial on how to unlock developer options, and then just open developer options, scroll down a bit and click on automatic system updates, and from now on your updates will be applied automatically. So this is it, that will be all, so you can smoothly and easily activate automatic system updates. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.